welcome to Japan, where the ATMs aren't 24 hours. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be answering a question that I got from someone. She asked, how will she be able to open an account, or how would she be able to get paid once she start working in Japan? So I thought that this was a very good question, and maybe persons out there are also wondering. So here is my answer. If you are recruited by Interac or Jet, then they will actually help you with opening an account with a Japanese bank, because if you are working in Japan, you have to have a Japanese bank account. That's simple. So in order for these companies to pay you, they have to ensure that you have a bank account. So they will assist you in opening the bank account. For Interac, they use Japan Post Bank, and this is my card. This is my debit card. For the ATM, you can actually use your bank book or your debit card. And if you have not updated your bank book, I think they call it passbook here. If you haven't updated your bank book, then you will be prompted to update it at the ATM. And also you can use your bank book to withdraw funds. You can use your bank book or you can use your debit card. It doesn't matter. When you come here, if you want to open another bank account, you can go ahead. So I tried to open, I think it called Shinsei Bank, but I actually stopped the process because I just could not bother, and because I don't plan on staying here for a long time, I decided not to even continue the process. But initially I had to get someone to do the translation for me, because if you are opening a bank account, more than likely they're gonna be speaking Japanese to you, so you have to ensure that you have someone with you who can translate or help you with the forms, because Japan and English. Oh, another thing that I need to mention with you guys, for Japan Post Bank, for Japan in general, people might not know this, but the ATMs, they turn off at a certain time. And from my experience, for the ATMs that are near to where I live, I don't know what time they close off, but I know that maybe like if I go like 9 o'clock, it will be closed. But on the upside, if I go to Yokohama station, there are JP Post Bank ATMs in the station, and those are usually always working. So I would say it depends on where you are or where you live. So at certain times, certain ATMs might not be working. I remember when I was in Shibuya, which is in Tokyo, I used an ATM very, very late. So it all depends on the area that you are at. But at my home, near to where I live, walking distance from this apartment, they are usually closed off by 8-9 o'clock. So again, it all depends on your area. But the convenience store, I believe you can use your card there, but I've never tried it before. But I think persons have used it before, but I've never tried it. So what you have to do is just ensure that you always have extra cash on you in Japan, because you just don't know when you might need extra money, but the ATM might be closed. So that's another tip. Just ensure that you always have money on you, because the ATMs might be closed. This is Japan, where some ATMs aren't 24 hours. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.